Donald Trump's attorneys wrapped their case in the criminal hush money trial in New York without the former president taking the stand.
If ultimately a lot of this is going to come down to the word of Michael Cohen, who of course the defense tried to paint as an uncredible witness considering he's perjured himself before, versus the word of Donald Trump, and we didn't hear from Donald Trump, what does his lack of testimony, if not not surprising, do to the case overall?
It was smart that Trump did not take the stand, because if he did, he would be walking into a perjury trap. If he did, he'd be confronted with really embarrassing details about his affair with Stormy Daniels and others. I mean, the E. Jean Carroll case would have been thrown in his face, really bad stuff. And so he listened to his lawyers, and he did not take the stand. He was never going to take the stand in this case. But they don't have to. The prosecution has the entire burden. And so the defense didn't even really put on a case. They're just trying to poke holes in the prosecution's case. And they made some headway in poking holes in Michael Cohen's testimony. But in the end, the prosecution built up Michael Cohen with a lot of corroborating evidence, not just testimony from other witnesses, which were important, but also Trump's own words in his tweets, in his court documents. Documents are much more powerful than any testimony, because people can lie, but documents rarely do. And I think that's why this case is headed towards a guilty verdict.